Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we'll be doing a eye look which is inspired by the beauty Shreya Jain, and now she is one of the creator who is been creating content, beauty content from the past 10 years I guess. And oh my gosh, she creates such beautiful content. I can't even say you. Means I always watch her YouTube video, always into her YouTube videos, but this time when I saw this eye look which she posted in her Instagram made me fan of her eventually. So basically this is one of the simple eye look. She have inputted a Shreya Jain tint in it, so thus it makes a little bit glam up, and also it is a little bit different from the original smoky eyes. So I was like oh my god, I need to recreate this. And basically जब से वो upload किया है ना तब से बहुत ऐसे creators हैं who is been recreating it, and now I am like no, I also need to do it. It's such a beautiful look and it's very simple and easy to create, which makes me like ठीक है मेरे से भी हो जाएगा. It is beginner friendly too. And result, and also I will insert a photo of her where she have created this, and oh my gosh, it's such an amazing. And moreover, more than the eye look, I am a fan of her content. Basically the quality of content that she creates is like a top notch level. So I thought that चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं creating this, and I hope you enjoy this video. So before we get started, hi, my name is Aditi. I post content every week. I would like to request you to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. So 3, 2, 1, let's begin. So I have already prepped my skin using a face wash. Means I have just washed my face. So now I am using the Good Vibes Rosehip toner. I will spray the toner by maintaining a ideal distance from my face, and then after spraying it I will let it dry on its own, and after some time I will apply my primer. For primer I am using the Blue Heaven primer. It is a good primer. It is a silicone based primer. It helps in filling the pores perfectly. I don't have much pores, but still I use it just to make my canvas a little bit more smooth. I just mean that I wanted to make my face a little bit smooth. So after I apply it all over the areas, it is in my T-zone and also beside my nose and a little bit on my forehead, I'll move towards the foundation. But before moving to the foundation, I will do the eye makeup first because it may have fallouts, I think. So I'll just conceal my eyes using the Blue Heaven concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'll just apply it all over my lid, and then I'll be using a wet beauty blender. Then I'll just dab. You can also use foundation brush if you want to, but I am more comfortable with beauty blenders now. So after that you can also fix your eyes by using a compact powder or loose powder, but I am not gonna do this now. I'll be using Beauty Gazelle color board palette I guess, and then from the green palette taking the you can say yellow shade, mustard yellow shade. I'll apply it all over my lid. I'll not blend or mix it. I'll just take the product and dab. Just because I have dusky skin tone, the yellow one wouldn't come out very nicely, and I use a little bit of concealer, so I'm just doing it so the color comes out very nicely. So after the yellow one from the orange palette, I am taking this orange shade in a flat eyeshadow brush, and then by using them I'm all dabbing it and just spreading it all over the crease area, and you can see all over the area because ultimately it will get covered by the black eyeshadow, or you can also use black kajal for the eye look. Now taking the same orange shade, I'm applying on the leftover eye and spreading it all over, and then I think I will apply one more coat of this color. I have taken another orange shade from the same palette and just applying it over just to make it a deeper orange, because I think the previous orange was too light and it was not even visible. So just to make a little bit more pigmented, you can say, not pigmented actually, but just to give a deep orange look. I have used it. Now using the mask I belong to your purse eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Tub, I am taking the black eyeshadow. From there you can use any black kajal for smoky eyes even, but since I am having the eyeshadow I am using it. Eventually I am thinking now that I should have used the kajal, but then I thought no, I need to make it work, and thus I am applying it. I am really quite nervous at this point because I think that I cannot do it. So yeah, but I am doing it. This is the reason that I always shoot the intro at last, so that if I cannot even do the exact copy, but at least I'll say that okay, this is the smoky eyes that I made. But yeah, so this is the Raz behind it. Now taking the orange shade and I apply it all over the outer crease area. Since I have hooded eyes, if I open my eyes, sorry, everything will be gone, means you cannot see anything. So I need to apply my eye makeup a little bit above also, so that it is visible. And if you go and see the Shreya Jain eye look, you will be impressed with the pigmentation. Here the pigmentations are quite dull, but in her eyes it looks so beautiful. In her palette is just lit, her makeup skills are just lit. I am just a beginner, so pardon me here. Now moving to the face, I have used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. Now I am using the beauty blender, same beauty blender, just to apply or just to dab the foundation. And you will see only using me one beauty blender, just because I feel I have only one just because I have only one and I am not getting another one. I'm very sure. Till now, I'm very sure that I'll not get another one. Now I'm just applying it and just. And after that, I'm using the concealer in the shade 350 on the shade Toffee, I guess. Yes, and applying it in my bridge of my nose, in my down my eyes, just to make my face a little bit more uplifted, and my T-zone, because it is quite dark there, and also I sweat a lot. So after that I'm gonna fix it, so the makeup doesn't look cakey, and this works for me, to be very honest. Then I am taking the Blue Heaven concealer in darkest shade, it is a chocolate shade they are having, and applying it just to make and do a contouring. I don't know, but yeah, this is what I do for my contour. I'm not a big fan of contour, I don't do it generally, but this is how I do it if I want to do it. Now again grabbing the same beauty blender, I'm just blending it over, just to make a visualization that I have called, what to tell it, I have jawline, but no, I don't have, because I don't have that is the reason. And now I'm taking the orange shade and applying it in my lower eye line, or below the waterline, whatever you say, just to give it a good look, because I'm not pretty happy with the outcome of the eyes, to be very honest. But here we are still doing it with the hope that it will work. And then I also apply the black one beside the orange one, just to make it a fulfilling look for me. By fulfilling look, I mean the look that I am at least impressed, okay, it is looking nice. And now taking on a small brush the black shade, I'm applying it in my lower line, and then yeah, we are pretty done, I guess. Now taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, I'm gonna highlight in my inner corners, and then I'll realize that I also have a eyeshadow of this shade. Even then I'll move to the Mars eyeshadow palette and grab the highlighting shade, or the, you can say highlighting shade only, and I'll apply it. You can use that shade also as a highlighter, so it's gonna be a multi-purpose eyeshadow, you can say. Now I'm using the Blue Heaven mascara. Yeah, I know I'm using everything of Blue Heaven, because I have just recently purchased everything from Blue Heaven. I've also made out a video where I have done my full face makeup using Blue Heaven products, so I think you should go and watch it, please kindly do watch it. And now taking a weird shade of brown, I'm just applying it as my contour. I have applied it, but then realizing that it is not gonna work, I'll blend it over with my fingers also. I'm just trying to make things multi-purpose. So yeah, I've also used the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and now I'll be mixing the Lakme 925 lipstick in two shades. One is the wine red shade, another is the brown shade. I am not a big fan of browns and nudes, to be very honest, till now. so I prefer red looks more good, so I'll apply the first coat of brown, and then above it I'll layer the wine red layer just to make it look beautiful for me. I don't even know when I'll be comfortable with brown and nudes, so I'll just mix it up using my fingers just to give it a perfect finish. And while we are done with the full face makeup, if you have liked anything about the video, kindly do like the video. I really request you. Thank you my gents for watching till the end. And talking about the outfit, this is the top, the black top from Ajio, and I have also made a haul of Ajio where I have inserted this top link. Kindly go and watch it. And this neck piece is from Eva Stylish. Bye my gents, see you next time.